garlic, cumin, tomato rice casserole, or garlic, cumin, tomato rice bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the tomato recipes and one of the most unique of the rice recipes and one of the most different of the rice bowl recipes and one of the most unique of the rice casserole recipes and one of the most delicious of the tomato recipes and one of the most unique of the tomato casserole recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the garlic rice recipes and one of the most different of the garlic casserole recipes. We're going to make garlic, cumin, tomato, rice casserole. We have taken 3 tomatoes cut into pieces. And the next ingredients are 15 grams of ginger, 25 to 30 cloves of garlic, 1 spoon of cumin seeds, and around 25 to 30 shallots. Cut into pieces. Heat the pan and put in 15 grams of ghee or clarified butter. Let it melt. Put in the onion pieces. Salt. Caramel. Saute. Garlic sauce. Put in the garlic piece. Sauce the garlic piece. Put in the ginger. Put in salt to taste. Salt. Salt thoroughly. Put in the cumin seeds. Salt thoroughly. Very salt. Salt thoroughly. Put in a spoon of coriander powder. A quarter spoon of turmeric powder. A half spoon of spice mix. Thoroughly salt. Salt and mix. Thoroughly. Put in the tomato pieces. Thoroughly. Thoroughly. Salt and mix the tomato pieces. Put in salt to taste. Thoroughly mix. Keep on salting and crushing tomato. Do this until they are nicely soft. 2 cups of water. Mix. Put in a cup of washed and soaked rice. Put in the rice and mix. And let this mixture cook for around 20 minutes. Curry leaves. Mix and let it cook for a quite time. Garlic, cumin, tomato, rice casserole is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is a final garlic, cumin, tomato, rice casserole. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the rice casserole recipes and one of the most unique of the tomato casserole recipes and one of the most unique of the cumin rice recipes and one of the most delicious of the tomato rice casserole recipes and one of the most unique of the tomato rice recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification